Have you ever heard of an axolotl? I'll explain what they are, why they're endangered, and what you can do to stop their extinction. The question that I based most of my research on is, why are axolotls endangered and what you can do to stop their extinction? Axolotls are fascinating salamanders because they have the ability to regrow limbs, parts of their heart, and brain. Scientists would like to find out how they do this and apply it to humans. This would be a huge breakthrough for millions of people. For example, this may give someone the ability to walk who couldn't before. Scientists are studying their DNA and trying to figure out how they regrow and regenerate limbs. Unfortunately, axolotls are becoming endangered. This is happening because the one lake where they live in Mexico is becoming polluted. It is being polluted by humans. This is very problematic for the axolotl as they breathe through their skin. Lake Xochimilco is also being built over, and humans are introducing invasive species like tilapia, which are causing axolotls to decrease. If something is not done soon, axolotls could face extinction. In the past, their environment was more livable. They did not have a dry season where the water dried up. This lake still does not have a dry season. That is why it's the only place to find salamanders that live in the water their entire lives. Now most axolotls can be found in captivity, in containers in labs, people's homes, or aquariums. They seem to thrive in these places, which is why many people are adopting these animals and keeping them as pets. Also, in captivity, axolotls are bred to have different color skin than the ones in the wild. In captivity, an axolotl is pink with black eyes. In the wild, an axolotl is a grayish-brown color. Because of pollution and human building, the axolotl's home is becoming very small, and soon it will be unlivable. Humans are the only ones who can help. There are now organizations who are trying to help axolotls and get them off the endangered species list. Researchers have teamed up with local farmers to create safe places where invasive species like carp and tilapia cannot get to axolotls. Organizations are also raising awareness in hopes that people would want to help. The Mexican government is trying to save parts of the habitat and offer ecotourism to see them in the wild. The money made from the tourists goes back to help save the axolotls. If you would like to help, you can donate to certain causes that are trying hard to save them. All of this will help axolotls get off the endangered species list. If you would like to see an axolotl, there are aquariums that have them for people to learn about. For my interview, I Zoomed with the manager of a New Jersey aquarium that has 4 axolotls. I thought this was strange as it is illegal to have an axolotl as a pet in the state of New Jersey. I found out that they have a special permit to keep axolotls because they have an aquarium. From this interview, I learned how to take care of an axolotl and more about their environment. She has been to Lake Xochimilco in Mexico City and described what the axolotl's habitat looks like. I was surprised because it was lakes and canals made by humans and not a natural lake like it used to be. She was able to confirm a lot of my research, and she was the only person I ever met who's seen and worked with axolotls. In conclusion, axolotls are salamanders with very special abilities to help humans and deserve to be helped off the endangered species list. Even though humans are the only ones causing the problems for axolotls, they're also the only ones who can save them from extinction. Axolotls are salamanders that have special abilities to help humans and science. We should do all we can to save them so we can continue to enjoy them and study them. For more information, you can check out my blog.